Hi guys, welcome back to another show of cooking today. So today we're preparing some nice catfish Guyanese style fish curry. And here what you're looking at is two nice catfish bought from the West Indian store, all seasoned with the all-purpose green seasoning, marinated like about an hour. And we have all our seasoning prepared here and ready to go. Here we have one onion chopped up, three stems of green onion, about five stems of cilantro, some chopped ginger. This adds a good flavor to the curry. Two riri pepper, and over here is our main seasoning. And what we're looking at here is 1.5 spoon of curry powder. We have 1 spoon of grind jeera, 1 spoon of masala, 1.5 spoon of turmeric. Turmeric is a good season to add in pretty much any curry, especially like meat. And today we are using some garlic powder over here. And then we have about 8 okra, which we're going to add in after we boil our seasoning. We have like half of a mango, not too much, so because that will bitter the curry, and 1 tomato all chopped up and ready to go. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and fry our onion first in an oil that's already hot. You're going to use about half of an onion first. And this is the ginger. 2 chops of ginger adds a good flavor to the curry as well. We're gonna let this fry a little. Catfish curry is one of those famous fish curry Guyanese usually cook. Usually goes well with rice or nice roti for lunch and dinner, even for breakfast. You could usually find it in the especially if you're looking for the catfish that's imported from Guyana. You want to check out the West Indian stores. So we would have fried our onion up here and the pepper like for 2 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and add our seasoning now. We're gonna go and fry this up nice, at least for 2 minutes. Smells really good. This is the seasoning, is pretty much what's gonna give the fish curry a nice flavor. So you have to fry it up a bit nice. You're gonna let this fry like for another minute, because this is pretty much gonna be your gravy. And then we're gonna add a little bit of hot water. Alright, so this fried up nice here, so we're gonna just go ahead and add a little salt, like half spoon of salt, not too much. A bit of black pepper. We're gonna turn this up a little. We're gonna go ahead and add some water now. A little bit of MSG. This adds a good flavor to it as well. We're gonna turn this up, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our fish. This is gonna be our nice gravy. Smells really good. Alright, now we're gonna add our fish. When you're cooking the catfish, you want to be careful not to turn it up too much because it could easily break up and you don't want that. You want to let the fish sit there for a bit so you absorb all the seasoning. Catfish is a very sweet fish curry. Tastes really good. We're gonna add our green onion. And a bit more of remaining onion. And then we're gonna add our okra, mango, and tomato. We're gonna let all this gel nice with the gravy. You can add a little bit more water. Turn this up back a little bit more. And we're gonna let our curry cook throughout with this water. Not too much of water it. Alright, you're gonna go ahead and cook this like at least 20 to 25 minutes and then we're gonna check it after. Alright guys, so here we have our nice curry. Nice catfish curry. This should be it, nicely cooked. Finally, we're gonna add our cilantro. And that's it guys, we're gonna take some out in a plate in a bit and we're gonna show you the final. Thank you so much for watching today and I'll see you in a bit. Thanks. Alright guys, so this is our final of our nice catfish curry and rice. We're gonna have this now for dinner. I hope you enjoyed the video and remember to subscribe to see more videos. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.